Let's make pumpkin pie creme brulee.
1 cup of milk, 1 cup of cream, and 1/3 cup of castor sugar, a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and a dash of salt to balance out that flavor. Bring that to a simmer while we get the rest of our cold products ready. We're using whole eggs, so we're not wasting. Madagascar vanilla bean paste. And another 1/3 cup of sugar. Roasted and pureed pumpkin. Now, what I'm going to teach you here is tempering. So that cream mixture has come to a boil, and we're going to slowly ladle that into our cold products while whisking vigorously to ensure that the egg does not curdle, and we're bringing up that temperature very slowly. By whisking with my dominant hand, ladling with my non-dominant, I make sure that the whisk stays vigorous. And as soon as I have about half of that warm mixture into the cold mixture, I can actually start pouring it in at a faster tempo. I'm feeling the bottom of the bowl in order to ensure that the temperature is not too different, right here. And now I can actually pour that in at a much faster pace. I strain this into a cup with a pour spout in order to ensure that all the little pieces of pumpkin and pumpkin pie spice are out of there, so we can have a very smooth texture. Once I actually go to pour this in the mold, I ensure that the molds will not get any splash into the water by keeping it constantly turning. And then I add water halfway up my containers in order to ensure even cooking, and this will bake. In the description below, you'll have all the information that you need. When I take these out of here, I'm going to set them in the fridge overnight. I add a lot of sugar to the top, and I let whatever sticks stick. I wipe down the sides, and then I add a little bit of extra sugar to ensure a nice thick coat. While I'm bruleeing this, I judge it off the color of the brulee and how melted the sugar is. I like to add sugar several times to ensure a really nice thick crack into that creamy bottom below. While it's still hot, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more sugar on there. This one I don't have to be as worried about bruleeing as hard. I just need to ensure that the sugar is melted. And then before we crack into it, we got to make sure that it's cold. So I'm going to just wave it off here and make sure that it happens a bit faster so we can enjoy it. Some people want you to share. You do not have to. This is your pumpkin spiced creme brulee with pumpkin pie. I hope you guys try something new this year. Cheers and happy holidays.